At the bank. How can I open a bank account?
What documents do I need to open an account? What types of accounts do you offer? Savings account and checking account.
Is there a minimum balance required? Are there any monthly fees?
How can I get a debit card? How do I apply for a credit card?
What should I do if I lose my card? Is there an ATM fee? What is the credit card limit?
How can I transfer money to another account? Do you offer international transfers?
What is the exchange rate today?
How long does a transfer take?
How can I check my account balance? Can I use online banking? Is there a mobile banking app? How can I reset my PIN or password? What should I do if I see an unauthorized charge?
I want to make a deposit. I would like to withdraw money.